Today we are making an Easter favorite from the United States, an herb-crusted baked rack of lamb. This recipe serves 6 people and takes about 45 minutes from start to finish. Let us make a beautiful holiday centerpiece together. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 2 racks of lamb, about 1.5 pounds each, Frenched for clean bones. This is the star of our Easter roast. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. It adds tang and helps the crust stick. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. This gives deep savory flavor. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh rosemary. It is classic with lamb. 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh thyme for earthy aroma. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley for freshness and color. 1 teaspoon of lemon zest to brighten the crust. 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs for a light, crunchy crust. 3 tablespoons of olive oil to enrich the paste and moisten the panko. 1 tablespoon of honey for a gentle Easter sweetness. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt to season the lamb evenly. 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for a warm bite. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the rack in the center. Line a rimmed baking sheet with foil and set a wire rack on top to elevate the lamb. Pat the lamb dry. Set both racks fat side up on the wire rack, and season both sides evenly with 2 teaspoons of kosher salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard with 1 tablespoon of honey and 4 minced garlic cloves. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chopped rosemary, 1 tablespoon of chopped thyme, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of the olive oil to make a thick, spreadable paste. Reserve the remaining 1 tablespoon for the breadcrumbs. Brush or rub the herb paste over the meaty side and along the sides of each rack, keeping the bones clean. In a small bowl, toss 1 cup of panko with the remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil until the crumbs are evenly moistened. Press the moistened panko onto the paste-coated side of each rack to create an even crust. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, until the crust is golden and the center reaches 125 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. If the crust is browning too fast, tend it loosely with foil for the last few minutes to keep it from over-browning. Move the baking sheet to a cooling rack and let the lamb rest for 10 minutes so the juices settle. Slice between the bones into chops and arrange them on a platter to serve. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you love this Easter lamb, tap like, subscribe for more recipes, and hit the bell to never miss a new video.